Thank you.
So this is our show unit,
Okay.
unit 4.
Okay.
This is essentially the 2-bedroom
All
unit.
right.
But this is how the space is used. Obviously in empty apartments it doesn't look as big, but this is how we can use
It's
this
beautiful.
space.
I like this.
How many
This is pretty
bedrooms
big.
This is the
2-bedroom.
2-bedroom. This is sold, but this is essentially how the living room, see, large couch, enough space for TV, you have enough space to entertain guests. There's a large dining room table, more than enough space for 6 family members, as well as it's the same size countertop. These are the appliances that I was talking about.
Ah,
The Whirlpool combo,
yes. Mm-hmm.
then you have the Bosch
Nice.
dishwasher,
Nice.
Bosch oven,
Okay.
stove, and the Bosch oven. Right? More than enough space to do any baking, cooking.
Exactly.
Microwave, Bosch microwave, and then double door fridge.
Double door fridge. Nice. That is
Little
nice.
Freezer side,
Mm-hmm.
and then normal fridge
And
side.
right off the kitchen too. Is
Yes.
this nice
So
space?
this is the guest bathroom. This is the same size as the one in the 3-bedroom.
Okay.
Same size.
Okay.
Essentially, that's how it's.
It's pretty big.
It's big. It's big. This is the same size as the guest bedroom, also in the 3-bedroom.
Okay.
See how much space you have, even with
Yes.
the large bed.
Yes. I'm gonna get this angle from here.
More than enough space for
Wow.
anything.
Because even a desk
A
and
desk, whatever
everything
you
over
want.
here.
I'm not sure if your kids are into gaming, but there would be more than enough space to have a
Yeah.
TV cabinet. Like I said, built-in cupboards, more than enough space. Shoes, folding clothes, as well as hanging your clothes, hanging suits, whatever you would need.
That's a lot of space.
Mm.
And a view of balcony.
Let me show you the gem of this. Do you want? Let me
The
quickly
view.
let me quickly show you the master bedroom. And then we'll go to the view.
This view is amazing. Yes, let's go to the master bedroom.
Yes.
Let me
So
go.
what we'll do now is we'll go to the master.
Sorry.
Same size, essentially different layout, but
Yeah.
same size as the 3-bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
So as the guest bedroom, built-in cupboards, it's a lot of
Nice.
space.
Yes. I'm just looking at the distance that you are from me to get a nice actual
It's big.
size.
It's big.
This is big.
It's very big. You can put some nice couches in the corner.
Yeah.
Obviously same size bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So you've got your toilet as well as your shower. Unfortunately the
Okay.
power doesn't work.
Okay.
Just finishing some electrical.
Yeah.
And then the shower is just behind the door.
One thing I like how it's just common in here is that you put this
The tile
all the way
top.
to the top. Yeah, I
The
love
reason why
that.
we did that was for damp. We didn't want the paint to get damp because then after a few years it starts to crack.
Correct. That's right.
And tile doesn't
So that
crack.
makes sense. Yeah. That's beautiful.
Now let me show you the gem.
Okay.
This is the valley. This is why we call it the valley.
Yeah, this is amazing. This view is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the view is off both bedrooms. Loving it.
So that is the clubhouse,
Mm-hmm.
the Gary Play clubhouse. We've obviously got on that side it wraps around with the pond feature. That's where the restaurant is
Oh,
in the clubhouse.
in the clubhouse. Okay.
This is the 18th that comes up here, and then the 1st and the 10th run down that way.
Wow.
This is essentially the driving range.
Mm-hmm.
What's nice about this apartment and all the apartments above, unfortunately they just don't have the big balcony, but the sun starts from this side and comes over and sets right on that horizon.
So you'd see that sunset.
That sunset,
every
that South
evening.
African sunset.
Wow.
It is magnificent.
Yes, it is.
What's also nice, like I said, the grass here, we're going to put jungle gyms, entertainment areas for kids to play, as well as space for picnics.
Is that where what's over there?
So that's going to be another development.
Another development. So
Yes.
down here will be
But this is all
where the
grass.
jungle.
Jungle
Okay.
gyms, play areas for kids, as well as
Okay.
gathering areas for when you have guests over or whatever.
Okay. And it's big.
It's large.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
So we'll just take this one with the furniture still in it.
You can have a look and you can say, okay, I don't like this one. Also
Okay.
read the descriptions, they're very descriptive.
Okay.
You can say, okay, no, I don't like this one, so take this one off the list, and then you shortlist for me.
Oh,
So
good, good.
You like, okay, I want to see this one, this one, this one, this one. Pick 5 houses, 6 houses, and then we decide.
Of everything. This is the apartment complex that we're looking at in Blue Valley. It's beautiful.
Obviously, some of the houses that I'm going to send you,
Mm-hmm.
well, pretty much most of them, the clients are negotiable.
Okay.
Okay, that'll
It's a
work.
buyer's
I
market.
love negotiating.
It's a buyer's market, so everyone's willing to go a little bit down.